Why do we sneeze? Imagine your nose is a superhero. It fights off bad guys like dust and germs. When too many bad guys sneak in, your nose calls for backup. It sends a super sneeze to kick them out. The sneeze is like a big, powerful blast that clears the way. But here's the twist. Sometimes your nose sneezes just because it tickles. So next time you sneeze, remember, your nose is just being a superhero, keeping you safe and sometimes just having a little fun. Like, comment, and subscribe for more fun facts.